Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and this is the Beast Ferro Rod. The biggest, baddest, spark throwingest one son of a gun you'll ever see in your life. My big bad mamma jamma, with my custom handles and glow-in-the-dark rings for if you drop them at night to make it easier to find. I'm going to show you guys a couple of different ferro rods and talk a little about them. Show you how they work. Let's compare them first. This is a 6-inch ferro rod, 1/2 inch in diameter. This is a 6-inch Beast ferro rod with a whole inch in diameter. Look at that. Look what a big difference. That's huge difference. That is a big old difference right there. Now with this, they strike great and everything, but with this, you get more of a striking surface. The more you use this thing, the better it will strike. I haven't used this all summer, I don't think. She likes the cold weather, y'all. Alright. Right here is a son of a beast. A son of the beast, right there. That is 3-inch by 1-inch ferro rod. I cut that down because just the way I strike my other one. I try to just use the tip most of the time. I'm not going to do that today. I'll do it in some future videos, show you guys different striking techniques that I use. But if you want to see how I made this, go back in one of my other videos. I think it's called Me versus the Beast, where I caught myself on fire. Yeah, I caught myself on fire. That's how badass these are. But anyway, I had already started making some shavings here. I'm going to use the spine of my knife. Just shave a little bit more of this off there. This makes it a lot easier. In case y'all don't know, if you have a ferro rod and a piece of fat wood, you've got a for sure fire. They're both waterproof and they both work great. Fat wood is just a highly resonated pine, in case you're wondering. Pine wood. Smells great and it burns good too. Alright. Well, hell, let's show you the tip. I'm going to strike the tip. I go up about 1 inch and just strike it. And there it is. One strike. The one strike wonder. The Beast. Now, there's a lot of people, they strike their ferro rods different. Now, I'm not trying to tell you why my way is better than yours, but the reason that I try not to use any more than just the tip is just to save on the rest of it, which, you know, that's a big old ferro rod. That thing's going to last you for the rest of your life unless you just use it every day. I use mine's shiny all the way down. I use mine to just play around with it. Of course, you can do it this way, which you probably get a fire a lot easier, unless you just practice a lot and use the tip like I do. But if you strike all the way down the ferro rod, then it is going to cover your tinder source in spark and more than likely get your fire going faster. There you go. This stuff is like gasoline. It lights up easy as can be. Now let's try my son of the beast. I really like this thing a lot. It's smaller And it's going to last you a long, long time. Look at there. Fire all around. Like I said a minute ago, with these two ferro rods, the only difference really is one's bigger than the other, and the more you use this one, let me show you on this one, it's been used a lot more. The more you use this thing, the more of a striking surface you're going to have. You see all that shiny part? That's just one huge striking surface. We're just going to throw more spark, and you're going to have more of a chance to start a fire. Look, I'm getting ready to get some stuff together. I'm going to do some camping and show you guys some more tricks. So you take it easy and have a great day.